Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? How you guys doing? How are you doing? Let's have a look right off the bat, guys, at the daily close. Boom, check it out. Closed above, just above, little above 4 cents, guys. Almost 4 cents one, almost. Very, very nice close, guys. We're already starting to work our way up. Let's see if we can stay above there. So we got about 24 hours for this new green candle that we're forming right now. Wonder if we can see a little bit of a breakout here tonight. That would be fantastic. Looking good, guys. Fantastic daily close. Could this be the breakout to 5 cents we've been waiting for? Or 4 cents 9.4 is where I would see resistance. But going to be fun, guys. Going to be fun. Let's check it out. Let's ride the wave. By the way, guys, if you're new here, smash the subscribe. We are only 4 subscribers away from 5,400 subs. So help us out. Be one of the 4. Smash that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. And let's get into some of the comments here, guys. Let's see what's going on. Just Forfeit says, is XCN a good play? Aped in with 1 million coins purchased today. Hear that name a lot on this channel. My JASMY bag's been packed since 2021. Also 1 million in coins. Nice. Yes, in my personal opinion, XCN is a fantastic hold. I'm working my way towards 4 million tokens myself, man. So working my bags. So Funky, what's up, buddy? XCN, Swift, JASMY, all great 1 million holdings. Absolutely, man. Just my opinion. Glad to hear that, Funky. Just not finding a lot of yeah, well, that's the thing, right? The reason you're not finding a lot of videos on something like XCN is because most content creators will only make videos on stuff that gets them clicks, right? And if you look at search volume for XCN, people don't know to look for it, right? And generally, just like with JASMY, right? JASMY 6-7 months ago, the searches for JASMY were extremely low, right? But then JASMY started going nuts and pumping. Now it's searched all the time, right? So XCN will be something similar. So, and then when that happens, all of a sudden, just like JASMY, you'll see a lot of content creators out of the woodwork suddenly making XCN videos and stuff like that, right? So, I can't spell XCN, Swift, JASMY. Kevin, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. William, what's up, man? Good to see you. Crypto Homes in the house. What's up, man? 589. What's up, Patrick? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Did we get faked out? No, we did not. We did not. I'm hoping we can, so far, we're fighting there to get above yesterday's daily high candle. See if we can get above it here. Maybe we'll do it while we're on the stream. Yo, what's up, big dog? Nicholas, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All the regulars popping in. What's up, man? Batlander in the house. Sunday with sprinkles. What's going on? JASMY closed 4 cents 078 on Coinbase. Yep, we got a good close, man. We're at 4 cents 117 right now. Let's keep the pump alive, guys. Hopefully we can get the crypto future pump effect happening on the live stream. Jared, hey Rob, do you have a local price target for this current run? 4 cents 94 if we break to the upside. That would be my target. Crypto Queen, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Philip, what's going on, buddy? Mary, JASMY to the moon, Rob. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. All the way up. We're going all the way up, baby. Still looking for those 4 subscribers to get to 5,400. So let's go, guys. Smash that subscribe button. WF Capital, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Just so you guys know, too, I uploaded another video for the Patreon members and the YouTube channel members a little while ago, about an hour ago or so. Uploaded another video there. You guys should definitely check that out. Mr. Big Whale is here. Nice. Emmanuel, I got you, Rob. What's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. 5 cents. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. All right. What else do we got? Oh, look at that. We only need 3 subs now. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nacho, what's up, man? Hey, Rob and Jasmine family. Hope everyone's having a great time. I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. It's a good day. I'm feeling great. Had an arm workout today. Feeling fantastic, guys. You know what it is. I didn't even realize it wasn't even on the screen. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy portfolio. You guys know what it is. Rosa, how's it going? Good to see you. Good to see you. Ramsey, what's up, man? Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Coach, we moving, ladies and gentlemen. Big things popping, little things stopping. Let's freaking go, baby. Okay, so see what everybody's up to here. Okay, so all right, so I guess we can start looking at some of the price action here. As we can see, like I said, guys, we're starting a nice daily candle in the green here. Would be nice if we could hold support at 4 cents now that we're officially closed above 4 cents. It'd be nice if we could stay there and hold it as support. That would be fantastic, right? That would be the goal here. That would be the next target, in my opinion. Would be really, really great. But this is so far so good, guys. This is looking very, very nice. Very, very nice. Just hoping we don't have any kind of bigger correction. If we do, we would correct down to about 3 cents even. I don't know. 3 cents 5 is a pretty strong level of support. 3 cents 2 is an okay level. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. But hopefully we keep going to the upside here, guys. A nice breakout to 4 cents 9.4 would be great. Let's check out the 4-hour, guys. As you can see, we still got quite a bit of room on the stochastic RSI for the 4-hour. It's pretty high on the 1-hour. It's fairly high on the day, and there's a lot. That's the thing, guys. On the weekly for JASMY, there's still a significant amount of room for upside on the weekly for JASMY on the RSI. So we could see more upside, in my opinion. We'll just have to stay on top of it, right? Just have to stay on top of it, guys. So far, so good. Nacho, I've been DCAing like crazy. Got 500K on JASMY now. So glad I've been working like crazy. Going to be so worth it. Absolutely, man. Sacrifice working hard now so you can enjoy retirement later, guys. As I always say, guys, you're not broke, you're pretty rich, right? So you got to remember that. I have full confidence, guys. I have full confidence that every single person here who has a plan, who sticks to the plan, stays dedicated, doesn't get shaken out by FOMO or FUD, is going to make it to being a millionaire. I believe that in my heart. You have to remain consistent and stick to your plan, and you will succeed. Do not let impatience destroy you and rob you of the future person you're trying to become, right? Hello, how are you doing? JASMY's going up. Yeah, it's looking good so far. So far, so good. My JASMY's almost at 145K in profit. Nice. Nice. Awesome. Congratulations, Crypto Queen. That is epic. After a bull run, we all, JASMY community should get together somewhere together and have a huge party. I agree. Hong Kong, baby. Here we come. Sorry. Japan, I mean. I don't know why I had Hong Kong in my mind. Japan, baby. Juicy JASMY party. Absolutely. Stargazer, what's up, man? Is it too late to get into meme coins like Turbo, Pepe? I don't think so. Turbo would not be a terrible DCA in my opinion, as long as you're not aping. If you're just dollar cost averaging into Turbo, I think Turbo is going to do very, very well. I made a price prediction video on it. I think Turbo could definitely smash through Pepe's market cap. So kind of gives you a bit of an idea of where it could go. But yeah, I think I think the turbo is going to do very, very well. So I'm bullish on it, man. I am bullish on it. Hey Rob, do you think DGen will top out? What do you think? Oh, geez, DGen, I don't even know. I don't have a price prediction on it. I generally don't make too many price predictions on meme coins, but I mean it's reasonably low market cap still. All-time high was 6 cents. I mean, if you can get a 30-40 cent DGen, you should be happy, right? But I think that's pretty conservative, though. So I always try to keep it on the conservative side. Otherwise, people get angry with you, right? So ain't nobody got time for that. Philip, I stacked my XCN on their network. Made sense not selling for a few months at least. Yeah, hey, absolutely, man. Staked it. Yeah, absolutely. Make that extra APY, man. Do you think turbo can reach 50 cents? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I do. I think it's reasonable. Big watch dude, yo, what up, Rob? First time posting in chat, but been listening since about 01 level. I'm a max channel guy, but I like your content and vibe. Welcome in, man. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. And absolutely, man. Max is also the man. So thank you so much. I appreciate having you, man. Simon, hey Rob, JASMY pumping, but 5 cents historically is very strong resistance. So if we break that, it's an instant 9 to 10 cents and higher. Yes, I agree. If we broke 5 cents, we would shoot up to about 9 cents, in my opinion. Before we met more resistance, right? That 9 to 10 cent level is going to be a strong psychological level. Rob, my dog, what's up, man? Good to see you, amigo. Good to see you, brother. I used the link to join your Discord, and it wasn't too hard. That's what she said. Big shout out to the guys that welcomed me into Discord, Crypto Homes, Taco Tuesday, and Drama. Yeah, we have a fantastic community over in the Discord. Absolutely, man. Great people over there, man. Great people. I'm surprised. I really didn't think there was going to be more than like 20 people that were going to join the Discord, but man, everyone just created a fantastic community over there. I don't get angry. I accumulate generational wealth. Nice. That's how it's done, man. That's how it's done. What's your thoughts on Brett? Actually, I just did a short on Brett. I just did a short on Brett about an hour or so ago. Just give me a second here. Check this out. Check this out, Stargazer. I got you covered. Boom. Uphold. Just listed Brett today. New listing for Brett. So bullish, man. Fantastic. Super fantastic. So yeah, there you go, man. Bullish news. I got you covered. I got the fries that'll cross your eyes. All right, what else do we got? All right, guys, I am going to jump over to the news. So as per usual, if you want to catch my attention, you got a question you want answered, comment, whatever it is, I'll be over here reading the news and stuff. So just send it in a super chat. It'll catch my eye. I'll jump right over to it, okay? All right, so let's get into it here. So we covered Brett. Brett listed on Uphold, very, very bullish for Brett. Michael Vandepop says the ECB decided to cut rates today. The first central bank doing so, and I think it's a matter of time until the Fed is going to decide the same and start QE again. It's only a matter of this economic position as a response. But I agree, but he's wrong on one thing, right? He's wrong on one thing. So the ECB cut rates by 25 basis points today. And he says it's the first central bank to do so. Nope, wrong. Canada's central bank, Bank of Canada, cut basis points, 25 basis point rate cut yesterday. So Canada was the first country to cut rates yesterday. But two central banks have now cut rates in the last 2 days. So is this a bullish sign that Jerome Powell is going to be willing to use this as an excuse to start cutting rates in the U.S.? Will be interesting, guys. Listen, a lot of people are like, well, I don't think it'll happen until, I don't think it'll happen, till like September. Well, hey, you know what? The Bank of Canada never gave us any warning whatsoever that they were going to cut rates. They didn't imply anything. They just did it, right? So probably because they didn't want to pump markets or anything like that. So I could see Jerome Powell and them saying, you know what, we don't want to pump the markets here. Let's just do this and make an announcement, right? So going to be, because like if he came out and said we're going to cut rates in July, market's going to pump, right? Market's going to pump on that, just on the news. So very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish indeed. All right, what else do we got? Stuart Alderati says, I'm once again asking how many tax dollars have been wasted through failed efforts by Gensler's SEC to expand its jurisdiction beyond what the law allows. The Fifth Circuit private funds ruling could rewrite SEC's agenda. The Fifth Circuit of Wednesday vacated the U.S. SEC's commission regulations that would have required private fund advisors to provide detailed disclosures to investors in a sweeping decision that could upend the regulator's approach to promised rules on climate, artificial intelligence, and crypto assets. So basically, Biden wants to protect Gensler, so the courts are going to destroy him. That's simple, right? Either way, Gensler's going to lose this war. That's just how I see it. What else do we got? How about this Roaring Kitty situation, guys? Absolutely crazy. If Roaring Kitty decides to exercise his GME options on the live stream tomorrow, thereby forcing market makers, brokers, to cough up 12 million GME shares out of thin air for him to buy, prepare for one of the most epic rallies in history. Think he will do it? This is going to be, guys, we could see a rally beyond all rallies tomorrow. Going to be exciting, guys. We're going to be watching it. He's going to be doing his live stream. Apparently there's over 10,000 people waiting for his live stream already tomorrow. Crazy. That's more people that are even subscribed to my channel. That's crazy, man. But good for him. Good for him, man. Okay, what else do we got? Check this out, guys. Just in, BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF IBIT had another, guys, the day before yesterday, Bitcoin inflows on the Bitcoin Spot ETF saw 888 million in inflows the day before yesterday. Yesterday, we had over 500 million in inflows. Today, BlackRock alone had another $347.1 million in inflows. Guys, Bitcoin is running out of, the supply of Bitcoin's running out fast, guys, right? ETF demand, Bitcoin having supply cut in half, so supply down, demand up. What does that equal, guys? Face melting pump when supply and demand shock hits, and it's going to hit. It's going to hit you. It's going to hit you, man. It's going to hit you right in the mouth. All right, what else do we got? Jasmy, mother of all runs is about to happen. Let's go, Jasmy. Yes, I agree, man. A big pump is on the horizon, in my opinion. We're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens. All right, check this out. The digital chamber, guys, crypto community. Can we believe how much has changed in just 4 years? We are making huge strides to ensure cryptocurrency and digital assets are acceptable to everyone. This is how we're shaping the future. Now, guys, if you're new to crypto, I know that you probably don't really get how far we've come in such a short amount of time, but I will tell you this. 4 years ago, even the thought of a spot Bitcoin ETF was laughable, was inconceivable that that would ever happen, right? And here we are today. So listen up.
Today, some 134 countries and currency unions, representing 98% of the world's GDP, are now exploring sovereign digital currency. 4 years ago, that number was only 35. And of these 134 countries, 68 are now in advanced stages of exploration, development, pilot, or launch, including 19 of the G20, and China placing its digital yuan, what it calls its ECNY, in over 260 million digital wallets, and the European Union planning to roll out its digital euro soon. Thus, it's clear CBDCs, stablecoins, and crypto will proliferate in the years and decades to come. Today, some 134 countries and currencies.
That's how it's done, guys. You are early. You are early. What else do we got? Just in, medical tech company Semler Scientific, which we covered a couple of weeks ago, because they bought million, I can't remember how much, but something like 20 million or something like that, 25 million in Bitcoin, spot Bitcoin ETFs. They bought another 247 Bitcoin for $17 million today as well. It's not just these spot Bitcoin ETF funds that are picking up all the Bitcoin, guys. These large companies are picking it up en masse as well, guys. That's another 247 Bitcoin off the market. Cannot be bought anymore. Cannot be bought anymore. Gone. Kaput. Forget about it, right? Absolutely bullish, guys. If you're not, I don't know how anyone cannot connect the dots on what we're seeing right now. I really, really don't. All right. So Bitcoin will be the best investment in the world for the next 18 months. Don't believe me? Yes, guys. This is what I'm saying. 12 to 15 months is my target, but check this out, right?
You should really look at the pattern of Bitcoin after a halving. So here's a little Bitcoin price analysis for you guys. So there's been a couple of halving cycles that have happened. And I asked him to go back and look at the price performance 1 month after a halving, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and 18 months after a halving. And what you notice is that there are these moments initially where essentially when you go through a Bitcoin halving, people are sort of reassessing what's happening and they're trying to figure it out. That's sort of what I would say happens in the first month and roughly what also happens in the first 3 months. But then within 6 months to a year and 18 months of these things, there are these crazy price appreciation cycles that happen. So that's what this page shows, which is, 18 months after the first halving, the Bitcoin price returned 45x. After the second halving, it returned almost 28x. And after this third halving, it returned almost an 8x, which is really incredible returns in such a short period of time. If you go to the next page. And so if you graph that, this is what it starts to show, which is what is this price performance after each of these halving cycles. Now, why is that interesting? Well, it's interesting because on top of this halving, which theoretically, if history is a guide, we should see some price appreciation. Obviously, the other thing that's happened is we've commercialized Bitcoin. And we talked about this sort of as my big prediction for 2024 4, which is these ETFs are really going to allow Bitcoin to cross the chasm and have its sort of central key moment, right? And so if you apply the averages, and again, these are just averages, they're by no means predictions. Okay, so I just want to qualify that.
Yeah,
These are
this
just
is not financial advice.
It's not financial advice. These are just guesses.
Data.
We took these and we applied it to the price of Bitcoin. And if you go to the next page, you start to see what could happen if you just take the average of the last few cycles. So because the first cycle was so extreme, and you start to
so you're just doing cycle 2 and 3 here, to be clear.
Just the averages of cycle 2 and 3, and what you start to see is some really meaningful appreciation. And when I talked to Wences about this, how he explained it, which makes a lot of sense to me, is there are a lot of countries that will never look at Bitcoin credibly, even if they support it. The US may be one of those, but there's an increasing body of countries that will become dual currency. And they will look at their local currency, and then they will look at Bitcoin. And they will say both of these two things are needed. One, when you're transacting on a daily basis for random goods and services. And 2, when you need to buy a permanent asset that needs to have residual value, you'll use something like BTC. And I think that's a very powerful concept. And if you look at what this price chart could indicate, is that if this thing starts to get to these levels of appreciation, it is going to completely replace gold and start to become something that has transactional utility for hard assets. And I think if you marry that with this worry that some folks have about dollar debasement, you start to see some really interesting opportunities.
Very, very bullish, guys. We all know the direction of Bitcoin here, right? That's why I keep saying I would be DCAing in the bear markets, rolling my profits. That's what I'm doing. I'm rolling my profits 50% into Bitcoin at the bottom, guys, right? It's going to be $1 million a coin one day. I'm telling you. We got breaking news. $1 trillion asset manager Franklin Templeton reportedly exploring a new fund that will invest in tokens aside from Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Franklin Templeton looking into purchasing altcoins. Which ones? XRP, Solana, Avalanche? I don't know. Guess we'll see. JASMY, legally regulated in Japan, guys. Legally regulated in Japan. Let's have a look at the good old Dixie, shall we? Boom. Check it out. She's red again, baby. She's red on the 4 hour. What does she look like on the 1 hour? Boom. Nice, guys. Nice. What about the daily? I would love to see just a complete collapse. It's slowly happening here, but I want to see fast forward here, right? We've had 1, 2, 3, 6 red days in a row here on the Dixie. But it's not enough yet. It's not enough yet. We need more. We need more. Bitcoin surged to 100K before the U.S. election predicted by Standard Chartered. Standard Chartered Bank analyst Jeff Kendrick predicts that before the next U.S. presidential election, Bitcoin's value will rise significantly and may perhaps hit $100,000. Positive results from the U.S. non-farm payrolls data are expecting to drive Kendrick's estimate, which suggests that Bitcoin may reach a record high this coming week. I agree. It's coming, baby. It's coming. That's what she said. Anticipated market trends. According to Kendrick, if Trump wins the U.S. presidential election, Bitcoin might hit $150,000 before the end of the year. It might also reach $100,000 before the election. He backs this up with an analysis of the Trump administration's position on cryptocurrencies in comparison to Joe Biden's. Well, let me see. Trump said he supports crypto. Biden has spent the last 2.5 years viciously and publicly attacking it. So, figure it out, right? The analyst highlights the recent approval of the spot Ethereum ETF by the Biden administration. Jack posed with Biden's voting of efforts in the repeal SAB 121. These contrasting actions suggest to Kendrick that Trump remains more favorable towards the crypto market. Market implications. Kendrick's prediction also encompasses a potential rise to $80,000 by the end of June, alongside a steadfast year-end projection of $150,000 for Bitcoin, notably achieving the $150,000 mark by the conclusion of 2024. Could position Bitcoin among the elite $3 trillion market cap club, mirroring NVIDIA's recent achievement. Bitcoin's current trading standing at 70,800 at the time of writing indicates a market poised for significant fluctuation as per his analysis. I agree, guys. I think we're going to see $150,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. I think so. We got more ETF inflow news here, guys. Check it out. Bitcoin ETFs brought in $1.37 billion worth of Bitcoin in the last 2 days. Crazy, guys. Crazy. We are on wave 2 of the buying spree. And more ETF news, guys. Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETFs had $15 million in inflows today. Another positive day for Grayscale. 15 million's not 300 million, but an inflow is better than an outflow when it comes to Grayscale, right? So I will take that all day long. And boom, check it out. JASMY getting ready to claim that 50 spot, baby. Maker, we are coming for you. We're going to leapfrog. We can leapfrog these. We can leapfrog Rune, Bonk, Knot, Theta, Phantom, and Maker. 100% we can leapfrog all of those projects. JASMY definitely is better than all of those plays, in my opinion. And just to have a little bit of fun here, guys, let's have a look for perspective, okay? Let's have a look at the projects that JASMY has. Let me just refresh this. See, so we're ranked 63rd there. However, we're actually ranked 56th. So I'm actually going to jump over to Coin Market Cap to see if it's more accurate. Just give me a second here. Yes. Okay. So here we go. We'll go with Coin Market Cap because it's more accurate. So JASMY is ranked right now, guys, 55. 55. So let's have a look at some of the projects that we've leapfrogged. Ondo Finance, Fetch AI, Pith Network, Aave, Algorand, Jupiter, SEI Network, Gala, Flow, Beam, Bitcoin SV, Axie Infinity, Flare, Chiliz, AGIX, Quant, Sandbox, Ronin, KuCoin, Mina, Book of Memes, Tezos, Decentraland Mana. Guys, all those projects we've leapfrogged. We've leapfrogged all of those in the last couple of months. And we're still climbing, right? I absolutely think we can leapfrog. We can absolutely leapfrog Cardano into the top 10. Same with Toncoin, in my opinion. We've got Injective up here on its way down after being delisted. Or sorry, no, Engine, not Injective. Sorry, Engine is already down, right? Yeah. So yeah, we can make it inside the top 10, guys. We can make it. I believe. I believe we can. And yeah, that essentially, that is the news. Let's check back in on JASMY. Boom. We made a higher high than yesterday, guys. A higher high than yesterday. 3 days in a row, we've made higher highs. All right. Let's get back into the chat, see what everybody is saying. Crypto Holmes, big watch, dude. Doing fantastic. Getting ready for the Panthers watch party tomorrow night. Is it tomorrow? I thought it was Saturday. The game is Saturday, isn't it? Today's Thursday. What do we got? Hey, Rob, what do you think about Ponky? I looked at that not long ago. It's a monkey. Isn't that a monkey meme coin? Yeah, monkey meme coin. Down 8% on the day, 14 on the week, up 100% on the month. Yeah, I mean, it's doing okay, right? I mean, I guess it's as good as any other. It doesn't really have any tier 1 listings that I can see. No, it doesn't really have any tier 1 listings yet. Maybe it'll really start to fly once it gets a couple tier 1 listings. I guess the watch party is Saturday night. Yes, there we go. What's up, man? Good to see you. Kakashi, what's going on? Does y'all's Coinbase for XCN say, I don't use Coinbase personally, but 202 and green 20.25%. Been like that for 6 hours, almost seems frozen. Maybe because volume is so low. XCN is showing me 20202. Yeah, that's where I see it, but I don't use Coinbase. So up to date from yesterday's post, JASMY has gained another additional 273 new holders from yesterday's 71K achievement. JASMY is growing faster by the minute. I agree, man. I agree. Right in front of our eyes, baby. Now at 71,273 JASMY holders, close to almost a $300 gain in one day. Nice. Rob, how likely could we see a major correction? I mean, define major, first of all, right? But like right now, as we speak, JASMY's trying to run up, right? It's trying to break through right now to that 4 cents 9.4 level. So we may actually see a breakout tonight to that 4 cents 9.4, and then we may see it come right back down again because it's going to be a strong level of resistance, guys. You have to understand that, right? So even if tonight JASMY breaks up to 4 cents 9.4, just below 5 cents, it's going to reject hard off of there. Hard, right? How far back down it comes? Probably not back down to below here, but pretty, maybe halfway back from here to there. We'll have to see 4 cents 5, 4 cents 4, 4 cents 3, something like that. But it's going to touch, if it touches 5 cents, 4 cents 9.4, expect a hard rejection. That's all I'm saying, right? And what do you think of VeChain? I like VeChain. I really do. I hold a little bit, but market cap's just too high for me, right? It'll have a good bull run and everything, but I like their partnerships. I like the tech, but yeah, the market cap's just a little high. I hold some. Hey, Rob, there's over 13K people watching on RK's stream the last time I checked, and the chat is flying. Absolutely, man. We could see a massive run tomorrow because of that guy, man. That's going to be absolutely awesome if we see that. That's going to be epic. So I'm looking forward to it. Definitely looking forward to that. Run, JASMY, run. Yes, absolutely. Let's go, baby. Crypto Homes, yep, JASMY making a push for the weekly high. Yeah, just a little bit higher to break above the weekly high here that it made 3 days ago. Let's break 4 cents too, baby. Absolutely. Pamp. Soul Boy, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Welcome to JASMY Franklin Templeton. Absolutely. Kevin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Wouldn't hurt to join the member side as well. Yes, thank you so much, brother. JASMY UK, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Thanks for showing up. Jack W, let's get this party started. What's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Matt, what's up, buddy? Diamond hands till 32 cents 5. Nice. Nice. Yeah, big watch dude is here. Ty, hey there, Rob. Isn't Franklin Templeton partnered with Polygon and Stellar? You got it. You got it. Dono, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. One Connection Sound. JASMY is the real Bitcoin coin with substance and utility. Yes, absolutely agree with that. 42 JASMY. 4 cents 2. Yeah, let's go. We're right below there, guys. Right below there, trying to break through. Mr. Whale, good to see you, and thanks for welcoming me in the Discord earlier. Absolutely, man. Fantastic community over in that Discord, guys. Very proud of that. Very, very proud of that. And hey, guys, we smashed through 5,400 subs, man. So awesome. Thank you to everyone who hit the subscribe button. Thank you for helping us break through that level, man. That's absolutely amazing. Guys, continue to smash that subscribe button. We're growing at a fantastic pace. Let's keep it up, man. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing. All right. Anybody got anything else they want to ask or anything like that? Because that is the news, guys, as it is right now. Bitcoin sitting at 70,800. Not too bad. Got anything else kind of pumping here? A couple pullbacks here and there, but nothing to write home about. JASMY will flip bonk. Floki next. Floki, you're next. Yes. Crypto Paradox, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, yeah, that's basically the news, guys. So yeah, if you guys got nothing else you want to ask, then all I can really say is smash the also, guys, smash the join button as well. Just so you guys know, if you're, again, I said it earlier, but if you're a member of the channel or you're a member of the Patreon, I released another video today, and I did one yesterday for the Patreon and for the member side here. Another gem that I'm looking at, very bullish on, guys. Couple gems, so check those out, guys. And if you want to see them, click the join button or click the link in the description to become a Patreon member, and it supports the channel, guys. Right? It really does. So greatly appreciated. All right. Give me your Pepe price prediction for the board. I don't have a Pepe price prediction. I generally don't predict the prices of meme coins. It's too difficult. It's too difficult to know how far it's going to go. But I do see at least a 10x in Pepe minimum, right? GME, yep, tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a big day, man. JJ, are you still bullish on? Oh, 100% I am. 100%, man. Matthew, favorite political coin? I mean, there's so many of them now, but I guess I'd have to go with the original Trump coin. It's done very, very well. 5 cents incoming? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. If we can break up to 4 cents, 9.4. But again, if we get up there, we're going to reject off there pretty hard. Hey, Rob, are you going to stream RK's live stream tomorrow? What time is he streaming? I don't even know what time he's streaming at. I mean, I guess I could. I don't know if I'm allowed to or not, though, to be honest with you. Is he streaming on YouTube? Stargazer, what's your question, my friend? Imagine being a meme coin holder only to see JASMY moving up while the meme is being a meme. What's tomorrow? That's the what's his name there? Roaring Kitty's live stream for his GME trade. So there's like over 12,000 people waiting for the stream in queue. David, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Trump, absolutely. Gold pushing 24. Yes. Gold's pushing up. 11 a.m. Central. Okay, so yeah, I could, I suppose. I could stream it. David, Stargazer with WW3 on the rise. Could the escalation of these wars affect crypto? I don't think we're ever going to see a WW3, man, to be honest with you. I don't think so. I just don't think we live in a world where that's realistic anymore, right? It's just countries are too powerful now. There'd be too much damage. It'd be too devastating. So, but I mean, yeah, I mean, negative things when it comes to all-out wars are definitely going to affect all risk on assets, right? For sure. If that were to happen, but not just crypto, that would affect everything. Precious metals, stocks, everything, right? He's on YouTube. Okay, yeah, maybe I can stream it if you guys want. Could we possibly lose everything? I mean, yeah, that's always possible, Stargazer. It's always possible. Thoughts on Bonk? Bonk will do okay. Bonk will do something similar to Pepe, right? It'll do probably 10, 20x, something like that from where it is. It'll do fine. Similar to how like Shiba Inu did after its primary parabolic run, then it went up another 20x or whatever in the bull run. It'll have a good run. Mario, bro, I'm wondering if I take 10K from my Solana and buy JASMY right now, I don't know what to do. I already have 10K JASMY. You have 10K is in 10,000 JASMY tokens, or you have $10,000 worth of JASMY. Which one are you talking about? Which one do you mean? 4 cents too? Yep, 4 cents too, baby. We got to break through there, though. We got to break through with conviction. This isn't 1946. Don't believe that nonsense. Yeah, no, I don't think we live in a world where it's realistic to have that kind of thing anymore, to be honest with you. We'll have wars, but nothing of that magnitude anymore. The world is countries are just too powerful now, right? There's too many devastating weapons out there. We could destroy the entire planet and never even drop a single, you know what, right? So I just don't see it, right? It would be self-annihilation no matter what country you're in. So I don't know. I just don't see it being realistic. If we did have that, it would be against machines and AI, right? To me, that would be more realistic, like a what do they call it? On Terminator. What's that? What's the Skynet? Skynet taking over, AI Skynet taking over and causing a war between humans and robots would be more realistic to me than an all-out WW3, in my opinion. But yes, though, Stargazer, again, to reiterate, if we did any kind of negative war, like even what's going on now, would definitely affect risk on assets for sure in a negative context, right? You think JASMY whales are aware of these heavy resistance points and stair-step JASMY carefully? Possibly. I'll be back. Do it now. What is our weekly high? I forget. Weekly high is about 4 cents, 246. Right about there, yeah. I live in the Netherlands, and apparently they made a threat against us for that last couple of days. Who did? Who did that? Who's talking smack? All right, what else do we got? Yeah, well, all right, guys. Well, that's basically the news that I got for you. I'm going to have the chart going here. I'm going to get it back up and running on the live stream. So if you guys want to hang out and just watch the chart pump, I'll have that going. Right now, we're 4 cents too. We're so close. We're so close to the daily high. What's in the news? Can't verify if it's legit. Nice. Probably Rocket Man. Scam. It's a scam. They're scamming you. All right. Yeah, quite the world we live in, guys. Quite the world we live in. I tell you what. Trying to get this breakthrough today, guys. That would be amazing if we could just have that breakthrough, you know? Even if it only goes to 4 cents 9.4 and then rejects off and comes back down, that would still be pretty exciting, right? Still be okay. Still be a lot of fun. GME coin? The hell is GME coin? Is that step-in coin you're talking about? GME? Oh, GameStop. Okay. I didn't even know there was a token. 124% up on the day. 509% on the, wow. It's on Solana. Look at that, guys. On the month, it's up 3,500%. Listed on, geez, you know. I might actually buy some over on LBank just for the hell of it, because if this guy, if this guy does pump GME tomorrow, this coin's probably gonna run, man. Probably gonna run. So I might actually buy some over on GameStop, or over on LBank, which is the channel sponsor, by the way. I might buy some over there just to see what happens, right? Throw $100 in there, see if I can turn it into a couple thousand because of this dude tomorrow. We'll see what happens. No, please don't go. Most likely EU elections were here, so would fit the narrative of some parties. Yes, Patrick, what's up, brother? Good to see you again, man. Good to see you. Jasmy's coming hot. Yes, she is. Jasmy's always hot. Jake, I need to get to $1 so I can be a millionaire. Absolutely, man. GME is a GameStop meme coin on Solana, and I'm on it, baby. Nice. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. It looks pretty good. I might throw $100 or so into it just to see what happens, man. I'm about to buy it now. I can't hold on anymore. Well, it's a good time to buy it because, I mean, if the guy pumps GME tomorrow, it's going to be crazy, right? It's definitely going to be crazy. So you might as well benefit off of it, right? Obviously not financial advice, right? I mean, come on. Right? So yeah. But yeah, I will have the I'll have the chart I'll have the chart up for you guys this evening, and hopefully we need more volume coming in. Jasmy right now, guys, look at this. Look at this. Boom. $2.08 billion market cap, guys. She's looking fantastic. We need the volume to pump up. We need another like $200 million in volume to pump this up. Not just GME, but I would imagine for Solana itself as well. Yeah, oh, absolutely. Living in Central Florida, I have GFI, ABT, Swift, and XCN really contemplating Spell, ABT, and GFI for Swift and Jasmy. Thoughts? Selling ABT and GFI. Yeah, it wouldn't be a bad, as long as you're in the green on those projects on ABT and GFI, as long as you're in the green, it's not a bad idea. If you're in the red, maybe wait till you break even. Just bought $100 in Turbo, Brett, and Book of Memes. Nice. My Jasmy now at 153. Wow. Solid, Crypto Queen. Solid. I love it. You're doing fantastic. I love to see you guys making those profits, man. You know, everybody's happy. Everybody's making money. Everyone's having a good time, man. That's the way it needs to be. That's what crypto's all about, man. Positivity. Let's make some money. Let's have some fun, you know. Abso-freaking-lutely. All right, what are we doing? Look how close we are here, guys. It's trying. She's trying to set that high. We'll have to see what happens. You think Jasmy is AI-related token or RWA token? It's both. Jasmy's has the tag of both. It's RWA, it's DPIN, and it's AI. It's all of them. Here I am already happy I made $100. Dang. Nice. I'm in the green on ABT and GFI. Just want more multiples with Turbo and Swift. Already holding Swift and XCN. Yeah, not a bad idea then, man. Not a bad idea. I'm holding for the long haul. I think JASMY will hit 7 cents in the morning. Nice. Liquidity. Hopefully people didn't sell their JASMY already. Things about to get more pumpy. Yes, pumpy. Very, very bigly. Come on, hit that 5 cents tonight, baby. Yes. Okay, so I'll tell you guys what I'm going to do here, since I know you guys don't want me to log off. I'm going to keep the chart on. I'm not even going to cut the stream. I'll keep the chart on. I got to go run and do something downstairs. I will be back in about 10, 15 minutes. And so I'll just cut my camera off and I'll leave the chart on for you guys. And then I'll just pop back in. How's that sound? Void Mario, I think the first psychological level for people is around 5 cents, honestly. Yes, 4 cents, 9.4 is a very, very strong psychological level, guys. So I'm going to leave this, I'm going to leave it going so that see if we can pump through here. Cheers, mate. Awesome. Cheers, cheers. All right, guys, I will be back. I'm not logging off. I'm just going to cut off the camera and I'll leave the chart on. You guys can continue chatting in the chat, and I will be back. Give me about 15 minutes or so. I will be back. Okay. Yo, what did I miss? What did I miss? Oh, you guys are dumping the price on me here while I was gone. What are you guys doing? Come on. Oh, what's going on, guys? What's going on? All right, let me scroll back up in the comments and see where everybody's at with everything here. All right, just give me a second. Give me uno momento, por favor. All right, what's going on? Kelly O Crypto, sounds good to me. I'll be here. Missing 2 cent Jasmy already. Yes, don't leave me. I'm still here, man. I'm still here. I got you covered, brother. Anyone agree to sell my bags of ABT and GFI for Swift and Turbo? If you're in the green, I think it's a good idea, man. Did so much research on Swift, grab the big bag, but don't see their multipliers as big as. I don't know, man. I think it's going to be pretty big. What I would say, if you want to know more about Swift, I did a live stream with Rue Black day before yesterday. I would say check that out. We do a lot of deep diving into Swift, a little bit actually into XCN as well. So when Swift and XCN gonna pump? Swift's actually been pumping fairly good lately, to be honest with you. Swift is up 24% on the week. What is Crypto Queen? I wanted to buy more, but the missus and I decided to buy a little forest house and rent away during the holidays. Nice. Not a bad idea, man. Rick D, I have Shiba Doge. Thinking of trading in for Jasmy. Any thoughts on that? Well, there's nothing wrong with trading in meme coins for utility plays, my friend. As long as you are in the green, it's not a terrible idea. Mario, what's up, buddy? Crypto Wax, Doge won't pump till retail gets back in. I would get Jasmy on the next pullback. Living in Central Florida, end of the day, it's your decision, man. If you're green, no problem in swapping, but if someone gives you advice and it backfires, it's their fault. If Japan sees Jasmy as a Bitcoin, there you go. Hold, hold, hold. Absolutely, man. Tried to tell a couple of my non-crypto friends about Jasmy and Swift. Got the side-eyed, and I retire early. I'll just say, I told you so. Exactly. And they'll call you lucky, Drama. They'll say, oh, man, they're lucky, man. They just got lucky, right? Hit the lottery, man. Lucky. Yeah, it's got nothing to do with all the research and the waiting and the patience and the investing. It's got nothing to do with any of that. You're just lucky, right? I look forward to people in my life saying I got lucky. Go ahead, tell me I got lucky. I'm just going to smirk and look at you, right? Doge is a solid play for a few X, but it runs near the end of the cycle. Not saying it won't pump right now, but it won't be. Yeah, it'll pump later for sure. I won't blame anyone. It's my decision, Boyd. True, but thank you. Ask for advice. Be smart and true. Alts. Swift hitting 25 cents plus makes no sense to hold. Well, Swift, yeah, I mean, I'm holding Swift till 25 cents and then I'm out, right? I think, and a lot of people think Swift could get somewhere between 75 cents to $1. But I collected so much Swift that if it hits 25 cents, I'm a millionaire in Swift and I'm out. I'm out, right? I have 103 million of SHIB and 12.5 thousand of Doge. I just see Jasmy going more. Yeah, hey, I mean, you're not wrong. You're not wrong, man. Liquidity, not financial advice. I just hold all because at the end of the day, we really won't know how parabolic everything will go, and better to keep diversified than not. So as long as you have big bags. Yes, I agree. Diversification is key, man. Absolutely. I would agree. I would concur. What do we got? JASMY has more utility than SHIB. Yes, it does. Shiba and Doge are what? 15, $20 billion market caps. 100 billion is a 5x. Yeah, absolutely. JASMY's feeling resistance. Yes, it is, of course. Yeah. But this candle that we're on right now for JASMY, I mean, it's got about 23 hours, 22 hours left in it, right? So this candle, I mean, could pump all the way up to, 5 cents tonight, right? Before the daily close at 7 p.m. Central tomorrow. Like I said, guys, these three candles before the red one, these three candles here all started red. They were red the day before the close. And then look how green they turned the next day when they were close to the close, right? Same thing happened with this daily candle. With yesterday's daily candle, it was red most of yesterday, and some of today, this candle was red. Closed green. So this candle here, I mean, it could go red. I mean, it could close green tomorrow, way up here, So, what's everyone think of Swift here? I love Swift. I am bullish on Swift. Big market cap equals slow pump. Takes a lot to move them boys. Yes, JASMY seeing resistance, but doesn't seem it will be suppressed. Yeah, we just got to keep eating away at those sell orders, right? And we'll break through, man. We will break through. Swift will do well, absolutely. Crypto Wax, everyone has set take profit at the last top, so them shorts are going to get wrecked. Volume is insane right now. Yes, is volume picking up on JASMY here? Yeah, it is picking up actually. 209. It's up to 299 million now, almost 300 million. Rick, I was thinking of Swift. Is it too late? What's everyone think? How high will it go? Well, I mean, a lot of people think Swift could go to about $1, but I mean, again, I'm out at 25 cents. So, to be honest with you, I mean, if you're asking if you're too late for Swift, I mean, we're talking about a project that only has a $22 million market cap, right? So, I mean, if you feel you're priced out on JASMY because you didn't get into JASMY at like half a cent and stuff like that, like the rest of us, then Swift would be a decent alternative considering it's only half a cent right now, right? And it's going to run. The next run up on Swift for me personally, I think, is between a seventh of a cent and a cent, right? So it's going to have a nice face melting run very, very soon, I would think. So I don't think you're late in Swift at all. Rick, no, it's not too late. You mean the actual top or most recent? I was probably talking about the local top. The local top. You see Swift at 25 cents plus? Oh, absolutely. Swift only has $50 million. According to Crypto Bubbles, it's only got a $22 million market cap. Well, if the brackets and patterns I saw could come back down another 4% and then either continue higher or break back into the pattern. Are you talking about Swift? Because I've been charting Swift over the last couple of days on the live streams. Let's have a look at the chart. Let's see what my chart is saying today. Yeah, we broke out of the bull pennant here, right? On the daily, we've had a nice little breakout to the upside on Swift. Just like I said before, it's entirely possible we fall back down and we retest this trend line as support first. It's possible. It's not mandatory, but it's possible. But I think we're likely to see an upward run here. Maybe we consolidate and create a little bull flag here, but I think we're running up to about 2 cents, a seventh of a cent, and a cent, somewhere between there. I think we're set for a nice run. Not dissimilar to. Hang on a second here. What the hell? Not dissimilar to what we've been charting on KASPA, right? If we look over at KASPA, look at this run that KASPA has had, right? It broke to the upside out of this falling wedge pattern, broke to the upside. Look at that run. It hit all-time highs and then came back inside, right? So I think Swift is set to do something very similar to this here, this leg up that we see. I just realized different exchange, different currency. So what we see may be a little different. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Different pairings. Rob will return in a few. Yep. You think JASMY will break the top 10? I do. I think it's possible. CryptoX Swift is better. I see XRP still on number 8. Oh yeah, XRP. Doge is still in the top 10. Yeah. XRP is like one of 3 projects that has managed to stay inside the top 10, even with the lawsuit on top of it, guys. It's got to say something for how amazing the project is, right? I mean, I am definitely bullish on XRP. Absolutely, man. JASMY's doing better than Bitcoin the last 2 weeks. Yes, it has. We're getting robbed. So personally, and this is just my opinion, if the co-op and Apple, etc., is true, it could take either of those 2 out. Oh yeah, it could take quite a few of the top 10 out. Doge is currently $20 billion market cap. An all-time high was 70 cents, so around what, 80 to 100 billion. That's huge. Of course, if that happens, it changes the whole game. I can't trust Elon Musk anymore because of what he did to us in the 2021. Yeah, he was definitely frustrating us. Me personally, I mean, the guy. How many times did he FUD Bitcoin when it was pumping and then crash the whole market because he'd say something because like, oh, Bitcoin's, not environmentally friendly. And then he'd just make some offhanded tweet about Bitcoin in a negative context and crash the market by 25%, right? It was frustrating. I lost investing in XRP and Cardano. So I did was suck it up and made putting up all into JASMY. Nice. Well, I mean, with ETFs and some clarity, the game already changed. Yes, XRP best stablecoin. Yeah, I mean XRP, right? I mean, if we look at XRP, and I showed this chart multiple times, right? The last couple of days, like, really look at this, guys. Okay. Oh, I can't use my freaking tools when it's zoomed in like this. Okay, so have a look at this, guys, right? Like I said, I showed this. What is this? This is the daily. Yeah. This isn't right. Oh, this is because it's KuCoin's chart. That's why. It doesn't show the full. Let me go over to Binance and I'll show you. I will show you what I've been looking at when it comes to XRP. All right, so this is what I've been showing people, man. Like, people get frustrated with it, but look, this is what XRP does, right? Look how long this went sideways for like 2.5 years, and then bam, bull run, right? Bull run kicked off, XRP flew to the top, right? Ran up what? Freaking 998% run from the bottom for the last bull run, guys. Fantastic run for XRP. Went to $1.78 from what, 17 cents. So that's what it did in the last bull run, guys. So now this time around, and keep in mind, this is with a lawsuit on top of it too, right? So this time around, guys, we're coming up on that again. 2 years of sideways action through a bear market and stuff. That's what this is, right? We're going to see this again, guys. And look how this came out of nowhere. Do you notice how this came out of nowhere, right? Same thing. That's what's going to happen with XRP. Make no mistake about it, guys. It's going to do this again, but it's going to be bigger because there's no lawsuit anymore, right? XRP has been legally declared not a security. So you're going to see this, but bigger, right? So be ready. That's all I'm saying. Make no mistake about it with XRP. Dogecoin is another of his crazy coins. Yep. When retail comes in, they will ape Shiba and Doge as always. Oh, yeah, for sure. But now there's Pepe Bonk, etc. too. Yes, there is. George, welcome to the member side, my friend. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciated, brother. Guys, if you want to support the channel, it helps the channel continue on. It helps me spend more time doing this kind of thing. Definitely consider clicking the link in the chat, becoming a member, guys. It's only $4, guys. It's incredibly affordable. Or jump over to the Patreon, one of the two. It'd be greatly appreciated if you would check out one of those two options. You get, I just dropped a couple of gem videos on the member side and on the Patreon. I did one today, actually. So you're going to want to check that stuff out. We do members only live streams on Sunday as well. So that's going to be, that's a lot of fun as well. So does anyone have any idea how well Turbo will do? I see that almost the whole supply is in circulation. Dumb Money, what I would say is I did a price prediction video on Turbo day before yesterday, I think, or yesterday. So check that out, man. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Imagine growing a basil plant and now you're ruining nature. Are you kidding about growing your own veggies? A warning, buying pre-sale memes. I'm watching a group in Twitter Spaces rug pulling a lot of memes. They talk a lot about and get everyone excited to buy, then cash it and make a lot of money. Yeah, guys, I agree with Crypto Queen. You got to be careful with that kind of stuff, man. You have to be cautious, right? Protect yourselves. Don't get caught up just jumping into projects just because they're meme coins and hype, right? That's mind-blowing. Yep. Jasmy about to flip Bonk's market cap, 100%. If I grow my own veggies, I don't need to go to the grocery store, therefore cutting down on you're not wrong. Do your homework before buying pre-sale meme assets. Yes. Yeah, you know what all makes sense after I read the book Wall Street. Yes. At least basic checks, wallets, etc., holders, and locked liquidity, to name a few. Yeah, I agree. The problem is most people don't know how to do that stuff. They just like ape into meme coins crazily, right? And without checking anything out. And then they're like, oh, I got rugged, right? Like, yeah, of course you did. You didn't do any research, right? Of course you got rugged. Basically, the book is about declassified U.S. Department records saying that the newly created Federal Reserve created communism in Russia. Oh, I'm not surprised. Welcome back. Thank you so much, man. Nothing but the North talk. Good evening, Jasmy. Good evening, man. What's going on? Crypto Queen, I'm hoping they classify meme assets in their on their own. They shouldn't be connected with. I agree, Crypto Queen. I think the best option for meme coins, honestly, is maybe like just create like a new type of exchange or something for meme coins for degens, for people who want to play with that, right? There's nothing wrong with that, right? There's nothing wrong with that. But kind of separating them in their own way, make them their own asset class, right? Absolutely, absolutely. It's free. Just put PDF after the title. Nice, nice, nice. Are we going to achieve tonight 5 cents? I mean, I'm hoping we're going to keep the chart up, and we're gonna hope, right? We're gonna hope. We're gonna live on a wing and a prayer here. Void, what do you mean? Anybody that's interested in decoding the BS that told almost every day in the news, yeah, you pretty much just have to know it's all BS, right? Momo XCN plans to release more into circulation, 200 million every month. Wouldn't that dilute the value and make it tough to reach those highs? I mean, yes and no. I mean, it will make it harder for sure, but listen, that's not news. That's not new. And it's certainly not unique to XCN. HBAR does token unlocks all the time. In fact, here, check this out. Oh, hang on. Check this out. Just finding my link here. Hang on. I'm getting old. My eyes are getting bad. Where the hell is my link? Am I just not seeing it? Sorry, guys. Just give me a second here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Check this out, okay? See, that's not unique at all to XCN. Look at all these token unlocks we have happening. Today's the 6th. Myria just did a token unlock today. Layer AI is doing one. They did one today as well. Unique Network did one today. Gaiman did one today. Today. TYT, Bounty Temple, they did one today as well. A lot of projects do token unlocks. That's not a new thing. It's not unique to XCN. It's nothing that's going to be like HBAR does token unlocks all the time. People don't not buy HBAR because of it, right? What else? I don't even see any XCN token unlocks coming up. What else do we got? Any other good projects that are dropping tokens? Lit Labs is doing one coming up on June 10th. Aptos is doing one on June 11th. Karate Combat's doing one on June 11th. Games for a Living is doing one on the 12th. Front Fans is doing one on the 12th as well. A lot of good projects they do token unlocks. Immutable on the 13th. SEI Network's doing one on the 14th. Uniswap's doing one on the 15th. That's my birthday. Arbitrum's doing one on the 15th. Yeah, so I mean, it's in no way is that unique to XCN, nor should it suppress the price that dramatically. Pay special attention to the appendix number 2, since it's a landmark book. Try to spin it away from the truth. I've been thinking of holding my 200K JASMY bag till the next bull run. Just take profits from my other projects like XCN, SEI, Ondo, Swift. Any thoughts on that? No, it's not a bad idea, man. If you can tolerate it, then absolutely, right? Absolutely get her done, brother. Not a bad idea, man. I admire your patience, my friend. I'm holding on to 50% of my bag, so saw the replay of you and Rue about Swift. So glad I managed to get 2 million. Absolutely, man. I mean, JASMY's still solid. Investing is patience. I know with memes, people are under the impression buy today, rich tomorrow. Yeah, that is the mindset that we get indoctrinated into when we come into crypto, right? It's a fallacy. And people fall into it, and then they're like, "What the hell, man? Why am I not rich? I've been in crypto for a month and I'm not rich." Scam, right? When your friends ask to borrow money, be careful. Yeah, well, most of my I got 2 friends in my life that I'm going to be keeping as friends after this bull run, right? And there's 2 reasons. Both of them, there's individual reasons why. The first one is because he's heavily invested in crypto as well. He's not going to need my money anyway. And the other one, you know what? He was a good friend, and he's always been there when I was broke and poor and nobody, right? So, those are how you know you're real friends, right? So, JASMY up, Bitcoin is down. I think if Bitcoin's dropping right now, it's kind of it's not. It's just kind of sideways. It's not really dropping per se. What happens when Bitcoin goes up? Yes, good question. XRP is Teflon. Yeah, absolutely, man. Robert Kawasaki's predicting Bitcoin at 350K in August. LOL. Yeah, I saw that. Hey, I'll take it. I mean, I doubt it, but I'll take it, right? Only if Elon Musk buys more Bitcoin with Tesla. Remember when he dumps on Doge during SNL? Yeah. Greasy. Hi. My grandson's 6 months old and already on his way to financial freedom. Nice. I started an account and bought him 1 Bitcoin and 1 million JASMY tokens and a few others. Nice. That is awesome. That is an awesome grandparent, man. Amazing. Amazing stuff. I admire you, Crypto Queen. Fernando, what do you think about Spellcoin? I like Spellcoin. I think it'll do fine. I know a lot of people here like Spellcoin. That being said, I have my concerns about Spellcoin. My concern is that essentially they're connected to an algorithmic stablecoin in their ecosystem. And the U.S., the Gillibrand Loomis bill is set to ban algorithmic stablecoins in the United States. So it could have a derogatory effect on the Spell ecosystem. They're going to have to get rid of that algorithmic stablecoin and reconfigure their entire ecosystem or leave the United States. What I like about XRP, it goes up 5%. The entire XRP Twitter goes crazy. We flying, boys. Only come instantly back down to where it started. Yeah, no kidding. Void, yes, YouTubers include. Yeah, that's the one thing about XRP is there's so many YouTubers out there creating content about it that it's just like with unrealistic expectations of it, right? And that's what gives the community a bad name, really, is that kind of stuff, right? That chart of XRP is basically pure speculation. Imagine having a quadrillion of dollars flowing through its ledger. Yeah, well, I mean, we're never going to know about that until it happens. That's the thing, right? JASMY and Spell, be ready to get left behind. Nice. Shane, we have to think about our future generations. I will leave it all alone, but add more as time passes. Yes. I plan on doing the same thing, Crypto Queen, for my kids. One Bitcoin each, and just put them aside, right? Definitely, I have no kids myself, but maybe I'll start something for my niece. Void, they won't learn. I hope to get them pie thrown in my face if XRP ever pumps hard. I'm always poking at XRP. Yeah, I mean, it's not hard to poke at XRP, but I hold a nice bag. Loading up my bags, XCN Swift down here from the ranch, South Texas. Nice. Thanks for sharing your research and info. Hey, my pleasure, man. My pleasure. Texas, another place I do plan on visiting someday. Love your information, and the vibe is completely chill. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. KK in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Yeah, make sure if you're new here, guys, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. Let's keep this channel growing, man. Keep it growing and going, you know. Shane, if you have no children to leave your wealth to, your niece will appreciate it. Yes, Beebs in the house. What's up, brother? I think memes will ultimately be bought and sold on a separate black market and scam. I could see it. XRP is a fish out of water. I don't know if it's dying. I don't know if that's. I think that, like I said before, man, Brad Garlinghouse said it best. You know, people seem to forget that XRP was the second largest crypto in market cap on 3 separate occasions before the SEC attacked it and anointed Ethereum not a security, right? So if we could rewrite history and undo what the SEC did and make that not happen, XRP might be where Ethereum is right now, right? So now that the lawsuit's over and XRP has legal clarity, I guess we'll see where XRP can go. I mean, it sucks that the wind was taken out of its sails as the second highest crypto by market cap because of the SEC. And it's a shame that nobody's going to jail for that, because that was the purest form of market manipulation I have ever seen, to be honest with you. But I digress. That's the corrupt world that we live in, right? When JASMY lockup will happen. My friend, I do not have a red phone that calls Hara up, so I don't know. It's supposed to be every month. Beeps, you're late. Yes. JASMY held 4 cents one. Yep, it's still holding pretty good. If Swift can go to 20 cents, $800 million market cap, I will be very excited. I think that Swift can get over $1 billion, probably a couple of $1 billion for market cap. I really do believe that, right? I mean, look how fast JASMY went from like a $700 million market cap to a $2.3 billion market cap, and we haven't even started running yet, right? So Swift can do very similar. Optimism is unlocked this month too. Yes. These meme developers deliberately hyping their memes and scamming traders. Yeah, you guys have no idea how often, every single day, I get emails from these meme coin creators asking me to shill their projects on the channel. Every day, guys, every day. It's just delete. No thanks. JASMY unstoppable. Hats off to you for reading every comment. We was just having a chat whilst you were away. Wasn't aware you would read them all the chat. Yeah, well, I mean, you know, I know you guys like when I, you know, make sure I don't want to leave anybody out. I like to make sure I cover everybody, you know. So yeah, some days it's a little much, but you know, I've been monitoring Bitcoin and the millions in sales without it pumping as hard as it should. Expect a potentially significant increase soon. I agree. Robert K just loves to hear himself talk. I agree there. Dude always spews some of the biggest nonsense. Yeah, he just likes attention, right? What do you think about Kaba coin? Kaba coin. Kava coin or just Kava? Is this what you're talking about, Kava? I think it's kind of an older project. It's not a bad project. $765 million market cap. It's just been around for quite a while, right? Finance, banking, layer one. Yeah. I don't know. It's okay, but it's just been around for quite a while, right? I think there's better layer ones to get into. Didn't XRP already get clarity? It pumped from 50 cents to 94 cents. Team immediately dumped 3% because they own 80%. They don't own 80% of the supply. They own less than 50% of the supply. And well, I mean, they got legal clarity in June of last year, a year ago, right? However, the market cap of the entire crypto asset class was less than $1 trillion. So there was no money in the market to pump anything, right? I said that back then. I said that was going to be the worst time to get legal clarity at the bottom of a bear market, essentially, right? I mean, I don't know what anybody was expecting in terms of price performance when there's less than $1 trillion in the asset class as a whole. Of course, the project's not going to $10. I mean, that's kind of a frivolous case against it. I mean, no project, I don't care what it is, no project with less than $1 trillion in the asset class is going to pump up thousands of percents based on some bullish news when there's no money in the market, right? Where was that liquidity going to come from? Tokenomics are atrocious, extremely centralized, not scalable, etc. Not scalable? How's it not scalable? It's like the fastest for transfers, transaction speed. It's like the fastest. One of the fastest. It's cheapest. It's one of the cheapest. A fraction of a cent to send millions of dollars. It's the first project with a it's the OG DEX project. It's the first project with a DEX. Blazed the path for a lot of what you see today. Jerome Powell and Gary Gensler should be put in prison. Oh, I agree. More so Gary Gensler, but I agree. What color is your phone that calls hard? It's the bat phone. Rob, are you still thinking 20 cent XCN? When I say 20 cent XCN, that's when I'm exiting XCN. I think it could go higher than that, but that's when I'm leaving. I admire the fact, Rob, having 6 children, working 4 jobs and make ends meet, investing into crypto with a plan. The most importantly, researching before investing is key. Absolutely. Thank you, Crypto Queen. Yeah, people often ask me, as I tell you right now, I have no extra time for anything, right? But I will have a lot of extra time later, right? So, but if they already got legal clarity, then what clarity are they trying to get now, meaning today? I never said they're trying to get legal clarity today. They have legal clarity. They're not trying to get legal clarity. The legal clarity of XRP should have happened today. It would have pumped. Yeah, well, yeah. I mean, the market cap of the entire asset class has 3x'd since then, right? So the courts still have to rule on the penalty Ripple has to pay. Yes. Facts. XRP investors cashing out 3% was a warning to get out. I don't know, guys. I think you guys are wrong about XRP, man. I've heard your arguments, and they all sound just kind of frivolous, right? Saying that XRP's price only pumped from like 30 cents to 94 cents because there's no money in the market. That's a frivolous argument, right? That's no different than saying, Bitcoin a year ago when there was less than $1 trillion in the asset class, Bitcoin didn't pump to $100,000. Well, of course it didn't. There's no money. Where's the money coming from? We're in a bear market. Right? that's a frivolous argument against any project, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't know, guys. And I'm not an XRP maxi by any means. I just think that the arguments are not very valid, right? Saying that it didn't pump in the bottom of a bear market's not really saying much. And saying that the team holds 80% of the tokens when they don't, they hold like 40-something% of the tokens, which are locked up in escrow, I might add, which is not, they don't have the ability to take that 40 whatever percent out and just sell it. They don't have that ability, right? And they've proven over time they unlock what, 1 billion tokens every month, and they generally put 3/4 of that back into escrow every month, right? They've done it consistently over time. So I don't know, man. I think the team has kind of proven that they've kind of proven a lot of what you're saying inaccurate, right? Sorry, Crypto Queen. I know I'm late. I'm doing push-ups. Yeah. 50 push-ups. I kill 50 men. I'm accumulating the JASMY with JASMY for more XRP. It's all about making profits. Look around you and see how the economy is dead. That is a real fact. Shops closing. Everything's going up. Where are we on JASMY? I'm XRP Army. Yeah, I've been in XRP Army since before the lawsuit. People are desperate. Hindsight will be 2020 when XRP runs up. Yeah, I mean XRP, like I said, $7 to $13, something like that. I mean, I'm not one of those people that's out here saying, oh, $589 XRP or $10,000 buyback. There's some ridiculous stuff out there, right? But I am XRP Army, no worries. Been here since 0.8 cents, so it's been a good ride. Just turning some extra into Hemsy back into XRP. Nice. Yeah, I mean, and in no way, shape, or form is my portfolio dependent on the success of XRP. I hold a decent bag of it, but it's not even in my top 5 in terms of size of holdings. So I think it'll do fine. But yeah. Oh boy. I just got a notification for some reason. Crypto John spreading FUD again. He just did a video. Says dead crypto coins. So here he goes, spreading FUD about other projects again. Good old Crypto John. Fun projects. Let's go, brother. This stuff is crazy. Go JASMY. Go JASMY owner since 2005. Love to see it. Nice, Johnny. Nice, brother. We're not saying XRP isn't going to pump. It's been down for 4 years. Everyone's making money last quarter except XRP people. We're just saying it's not going to hit 1,000. Oh, yeah, absolutely. I agree with you there. It's not hitting 589. It's not hitting $1,000 or anything. I think $7, honestly, $7, I'll walk away at $7, right? 100%. I need a little more XRP. XRP would not have made you anything this year, but by holding it. I mean, honestly, Carlo, you should probably not be expecting to make money on much if you're a long-term holder this year. I mean, I haven't taken profits on anything. For me personally, I'm not taking profits on anything probably till around February of next year when we're in the peak of things, right? I would never sell a project like selling XRP, even at $1 would be like, when you know it's going to like $7, would be like selling JASMY at a penny, right? When you know it's going to $1, right? Like it doesn't make sense to sell that low. I sold my XRP recently and added my JASMY bags for this run. Nice. Hopefully you were in the green when you sold. I hope. So yeah, we're gonna keep this chart streaming all night though, guys. Hopefully we can get some good pump action through the night. All right, guys, my stomach is rumbling though, man. I gotta eat some supper. I haven't eaten yet. I'm starving. I'll be back shortly with this with the chart. I'll have the chart streaming. As always, guys, thank you so much for all of the support. Thanks for the super chats you guys sent. Thank you for joining the member side. Obviously, thank you so much for joining the Patreon, guys. It's greatly appreciated as always, man. And yeah, I will be back tomorrow morning for the next live stream. And yeah, have yourselves a fantastic Thursday night, guys. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys.